to start off your morning commute. Details on when and how much we'll see coming up in your forecast on NBC 26 today.
And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today was the 11th straight day with above normal high temperatures across northeast Wisconsin, but behind the snow that we're going to see tomorrow, it is going to start to cool back down just a bit. Tomorrow, mid to upper 30s. The same goes for Thursday. We'll see upper 20s and lower 30s on Friday and Saturday, and then on Sunday and Monday, many of us may be stuck in the 20s for highs. We haven't seen that in quite some time. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that range from the lower 30s to the upper 30s across northeast Wisconsin. And temperatures will pretty much hold steady here as we head through the evening hours. Once the snow arrives, the temperature will drop off just a bit. Here's a look at the time lapse from earlier today, and I want to point out two things. We had some spotty sunshine here at NBC 26. And some spotty snow. Yeah, look at that. The ground is almost bare across parts of Ashwaubenon, at least outside of our studios here in Ashwaubenon. But that's about to change thanks to this system. It's an area of low pressure that's going to be tracking east-northeast during the next 24 to 36 hours, and that system is going to bring us our first accumulating snow in about 2 weeks. You can see where the heaviest snow will fall with this system, basically from northern Nebraska into west central Wisconsin. Some areas could see 8 to 12 inches of snow or more. Now, as the system gets closer to us, it's actually going to be weakening just a bit, and that means our totals will be lower. As you take a look at Storm Shield radar, you can see the snow is now breaking out here across northern Iowa, extreme southern Minnesota, back into South Dakota and Nebraska, and the snow will be slowly working north and east here as we head through the evening hours. Probably hitting the southwestern counties by around midnight or 1 a.m. By 4 o'clock, it'll be moving through the Fox Valley, pushing its way into the Green Bay Metro. That snow will continue to lift north then as we move through the morning hours, and then we'll see periods of snow during the morning and afternoon before everything starts to taper off to just some patchy light snow or flurries as we head into tomorrow evening. Now, as the snow falls, temperatures are going to be at or above freezing. Many of us in the mid to upper 30s, and that means this is going to be a very heavy and wet snow. It's going to be just perfect for making snowman. It's one of those back-breaking snowfalls, however, if you have to shovel. And with that heavy and wet snow, we will be looking at some melting and compressing. With that in mind, this is what I'm thinking as far as this system is concerned. Most of us will end up with around 2 to 4 inches of snowfall, but if you throw in that melting and compressing, 4 inches could easily work itself down to 2 or 3 inches when all is said and done. Across the far north, farther away from the system, we will see about 1 to 2 inches, and then we'll see some locally higher amounts, 4 to 6 inches from about, let's say, Oshkosh to Fond du Lac, south and west. Now, so far this season, as far as snow totals are concerned, we are running above normal, but as you saw on the time lapse, and as you see on the snowmobile report, we've got little or nothing to show for it. Most of the snowmobile trails remain closed across the NBC 26 viewing area, but hopefully this snowfall is at least a step in the right direction to get some of those up and running once again. So tonight, look for cloudy skies. Snow will develop late. Once again, for most of us, after midnight, the snow will develop in Montello, Princeton, Berlin first, and then work its way north and east. Tomorrow, look for a snowy day. A little bit of a spotty mix is possible. There could be some raindrops mixing in from time to time with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Once again, it will be a very wet snow. By the time we get to Thursday, we'll continue to see some light snow or flurries. In fact, as we head through tomorrow night and then through Thursday, another ½ an inch to an inch of snow is possible on top of those totals I just showed you. Colder weather then for Friday and Saturday, but not cold by January standards. Highs will be in the 20s to around 30 degrees. We'll see some gusty winds. We'll have a chance for some on and off very light snow showers or flurries. Some sunshine on Sunday and Monday. Colder weather, mid to upper 20s, and then we will start to warm up again as we head towards Tuesday with mid-30s returning.
All right, it's that back-breaking type of snow, isn't it? That's
very
coming.
Heavy, very wet, yes.
All right.
Take your time.
Oh, will do. Thanks, Cameron. The green and